Y'all see this? Oh shoot. Why my legs are hairy. ASMR. Smart people don't need instructions.
Now everybody sing that shit.
What's up, y'all? It's your girl TayPancakes, aka Taylor Stevens, aka Tay. And welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I'm back to y'all. I'm back at y'all with another video. Let me get some water. My mouth is dry. That's why I can't talk. Okay, so I'm back with some water. I'm hydrated. It's cool. As you read from the title, today I'm going to try to DIY something else. Y'all know I'm good and ready for it. I'm always trying to find y'all something cheap, something good, you know, so stick with me. So I'm gonna be making fur slides. So y'all probably seen the fur slides. I'm gonna go ahead and put some pictures on the screen. Everybody wears them and I want some, but I saw them cheap on AliExpress, but they was gonna take a long time to get here, and I don't know, I was like, let's get arts and craftsy and do it myself. I went to Old Navy, sis. So let me prove to you that everything on here is cheap. I got 2 pairs of slides, so that yes, they're white. I'm gonna do them white. I got 2 pairs of slides for $6. $6. I was about to go to Target and get a pair, and I don't even remember how much they were, but they weren't $6 for 2. I mean, they wasn't $6 each. It was $6 for 2 of them. So they had different colors, so if you want to go to Old Navy and get them, they had them in like black and gray and brown and boo 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 boo. The color of the strap really doesn't matter because you're going to cover it up with the fur. I went to Michael's and I got this. Okay, so I got this craft boa. They had them in different colors. They had like neon pink, blue, all that stuff, but I went with white because white on white, honey. I couldn't find my hot glue gun. And for some reason I couldn't find it in Michael's, and I know Michael's probably had it, but nobody was trying to help me in the store. I got some fabric glue. Aside from the white one, I decided, because I have 2 pairs, I'm like, oh, I'm gonna do something crazy. I got this. Ooh. We just gonna see how that one work out. I don't really know what that's gonna look like, but that's beside the point. Oh, and you need scissors. Scissors, come with me, come on, let's make this together. All right, so first we're gonna cut the tag off. We ain't returning them. Even if this turned out like crap, it's $6. They got my money. They deserve it for this deal. They deserve it. I'll make the white one first because I just know those are gonna be cute. I just know. Like, it's no way the white on white can't be cute. So we're gonna go with that. I'm gonna set these other ones to the side and we're gonna get to it. Let me bring y'all down so y'all can see. Hey. I don't like this. I don't like this at all. This is good. This is better. Okay, I have a bench here. And I got a whole little station here. I like these. I like how I did these. I don't know why I didn't think of this before. Where's my production crew? I need a production team. I don't think I quite got there yet, but one of these days. I don't know if I would call this a tutorial because this is my first time doing this, and I don't know if I know what I'm doing, but call it what you want. I'm gonna say tutorial. Beach first in this tutorial. We're gonna open up the Fabric Fusion. These weren't expensive at all. I don't know how much exactly. The feather boas were $2.99 each, and I got 2 little, oh my god, they're getting everywhere. That's not a good sign. I got 2 little rainbow ones. These probably were like $2, I would assume. And we already talked about the mother freaking slipper sis. And yeah, some cheap fabric. So all together, 2 + 2 = 4. I don't know. Cheap. First, I'm gonna start by unraveling this. I don't know how to do this. There's no instructions on how to take it out. I'm just gonna like rip it. Yep. Yes, efficient. Smart people don't need instructions. All right, so this is enough for 1 slipper. Yes. Why is that a string on it? Oh yeah, it is. Okay, so is this smooth material on the front? If y'all can see, it's really smooth. ASMR. It's really smooth, and I don't know if the fabric glue gonna work for that. See, what happened was I intended on getting slippers that were a different material, not this shiny stuff, but for $6 together, what do I expect? Adidas. So yeah, I'm gonna start by putting the fabric glue on the slipper, like so. Oh, so it come out, it looked kind of like hot glue if I'm being honest when it come out. So, it don't smell like nothing. Okay, so I'm applying the fabric glue to the slipper. Now, I'm experimenting here. I was thinking maybe I should go row by row, but I figured it might get messy considering that these are feathers. And I'm not doing anything particular. I'm just, sis, I'm just going. We just going. Making sure you cover the whole front of this this slipper here. All right, now let's show the audience. Can you see it? Yep, that's that. Next, I'm gonna take this. It has this little string right here. I'm sure it serves some purpose, but we don't need that. I'm gonna start with this first row and I'm gonna just place it. I'm gonna cut as I go. Hold on. Girl, oh, shoot. Oh, these are gonna be cute. They're gonna be cute, sorry, got excited. Oh, the fabric glue sticks pretty well, I think. I can't tell, I don't wanna touch it. Okay, sis. We getting there, pretty. Okay, then I'm gonna cut right here because, okay. So I'm gonna cut right here and I'm getting fabric glue everywhere. Okay, so obviously I need a little more glue right here. Cool. All right, I'm having a little difficulty here. Maybe I should have used hot glue. All right, so I'm just going in the parts that look kind of questionable and putting a little extra squirt of glue for security, because I don't want to be walking down the street and a piece of my feather come off, because that would just be embarrassing. All right, so this is what the first row looked like. See, it looked fluffy. So we're gonna go in with the second row. So the second row, I'm gonna just do another extra, just since I know how hard it was just now with this first one. I'm gonna just pre-plan for the second row here, ladies. Oh, this easy. Would y'all buy these if I sold them? Cause sweetie, I mean, easy is kind of a strong word either, but I'm excited. These are cute. And this what the second row looking like. So it's already looking like a first slipper. Sis, Taylor, TayPancakes, where you get your first slippers? Right here. I got fabric glue on my upper lip. Oh my God. It's alright, my lip need a wax anyway. Okay, I underestimated how much glue you need to secure the fur, because yes, I freaking love it. I'm freaking living for it. It's hard to cut this. Make sure you get better scissors than what I have, because it actually is really hard to cut this fur. All right, let me speed it up while I do the rest of this, and I'll just show y'all what it looks like when it's done.
So casually keep diving into concrete. So bittersweet.
I'm back, and this is the first slide. I think this is cute, good, dandy, like, oh yeah, I freaking love it. Okay, so this is the first slide. I'm gonna do the second one, and then I'm gonna put them on so y'all can see what they look like on my feet, and then we're gonna get into the rainbow one. So I think.
Okay, now please excuse the mess, but this is how they turned out. Oh my gosh, my veins on my feet. Yeah, I feel like aside from a few gaps like here, they came out pretty cute or something like that. Yeah, yep. But yeah, I guess they kind of work. My floor is a mess, but these are them. We got the basics, the basic joints, oh, I still got feather in my throat. Yeah, I'm feeling them. Wow, my legs are hairy.
So these are done. So as far as material, I used this whole thing of fabric glue. I don't think I should have. I don't know why I ended up using all of it, but that's beside the point. But these are done. These are cute. Yes, I like them. Now the real test is gonna be when I do these mother freaking rainbow ones. So it's the same process for the rainbow ones. Only difference is as y'all can see, it's a little more fluffy than the last one. So that's gonna make this interesting. I'll just time lapse this one because y'all know this is one way. I'm gonna do the first row regular, but y'all saw the first round, so y'all get what's going on in the second round. So I'm gonna pop over the new thing of glue because your girl obviously used all of the other one. And it got this thick rope in between. I don't know how that's gonna affect the fabric. Oh, it's an actual, bitch. Okay, so the difference between this one and the other one is this one is an actual boa. Like the other one was just a boa string. So I guess I'm gonna have to ruin the boa and cut it in half. Hopefully, how is this on here? I hope the bow is not like it's not like wrapped around. I think it is. I don't know what's going on, but we just gonna go for it and hope for the best and pray that when I cut it, it don't fall apart. But wouldn't be the craziest things happening with me. Let me zoom in. I cut it. I think we okay. Oh. For anybody that wants to buy this, it's freaking tied in a knot. It's not in a, I'm so stupid. But we knew that, so we're just gonna move on. This time I'm only gonna put a line of, I'm gonna just do a line by line for the glue, because before I really don't think the method I was using was really good. So we're gonna go the first line. We're gonna put that hole right here. I think. Oh, this one is messy. Okay. Bitch, it come up the whole slipper with one. It come up the whole slipper with one thing. But that's okay, that means it's gonna be extra fluffy. Oh, I should have did this for pride. Oh shoot, it's coming off. Alright, so that's the first row. Let me cut it, wait. It's messy, but warning. Forewarning for any of you, this is messy. So the first row is not sticking very well. And I don't know what to do about it. Cry? I don't know, maybe. Okay, first row done. This is what it's looking like. Basically, it looked like the whole thing covered, but if you put that bit back, we still got room to work. We still got room to work, so we gonna keep working. All right, time lapse that hole. I'm always talking to a production team like they back there, but
it's getting closer. Hard to keep the heat when it gets colder. You know, sometimes everything just gets hot. Sometimes everything just gets harder.
These have a nerve to be giving me mess, and they're not even cute, bitch. It's so hard to get these thick behind feathers to do anything. Trying to keep my composure. Oh, when you put the next row of glue, it's so hard to get the feathers to stay back. It's so much. These slippers are so extra, but guess what? Guess who gonna wear them? Me. This is original, I have to say. I've seen people do these little first live videos, and I'ma just have to say, mine is original. Good. Who did them like this? Nobody. I'ma try to trim the feathers down to make it look more uniform, you know? Trim the, y'all see all this? Is the camera picking this shit up? Y'all see this? Oh, shoot. It's so much stuff flying around, y'all. It's so much. All right. It's giving me like Lorax vibes, like Dr. Seuss type moves. I'm gonna give her a little haircut. We're gonna give her a trim the ends. Yes, trim the freaking ends. This is the next level. This is next level first slide. Like, come on, you bitches could never. I'm gonna do go off camera, do the other shoe, and then we're gonna see how they turn out. I'm back. This is what's going on right now. There's feathers everywhere. Sis, don't do this if you just have a great. I'm gonna show y'all the mess after, but yep, let me make it like cute. That wasn't cute. Okay. All right. I had a feather in my throat. All right, so I'm gonna just show y'all how the feather slippers turned out. So what I had to do was, as y'all can see, it was all over the place and wild. So I made them kind of I cut them. I took the scissors. This one needs to be trimmed a little more, and I just trimmed to shape it. But these are the slippers. Yup. They actually look kind of cute on camera. You know, if you see a bitch try to do something like this, remember you saw it here first, people. You saw these here first. Yes, not the first lives, because bitches have been wearing first lives, but you saw the rainbow ones first. Here, first. So, TayPancakes, aka Taylor Stevens, aka Tay. This is me. So, this is the mess that it created in my room. Yup. This is what's going on right here. But besides that, let's walk over to a clear area. These are the slides. You know, they're not too bad looking.
the Lorex 12s, baby. Yes, baby. You see me? Do you see me? You know, I F's with them. I really do. I really do. You can say what you want, but I really do.
They're extra, and I'm extra, so.
These are the white, and these are them ones. These ones, bit.
Okay, so that's it for this video. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Comment what video y'all want to see next. Comment your favorite slipper and rate them 1 to 10. I got feathers in my throat. Bye.